Hey YouTube, it's Muffin Plays here. Today we are going to be playing, I forgot what it's called, but I did another video on it. Phantom Forces, yes, that is what it's called. And, I don't really know. I just want to talk a little bit about you guys. So, I might not have a lot of you guys, but when I do have a lot of you guys, and you guys watch this video, maybe, I don't know. You know what? Okay, so I've always been wondering what you guys think about my videos. So, you guys can comment on my videos, ask me questions, stuff like that, like ask me stuff. I don't know what you have to ask me. You just have to ask me anything, and then, in a video, I'll pick and I will do face cam, yes, I will, if you guys want me to. But I'll do face cam for that video because I'm going to have to need face cam because I don't really know how to edit. So, yeah, that's what we're going to be, what just happened? Oh my god, okay. We're going to be using face cam and doing stuff, so, yeah, I suck at this game. But we're going to do face cam. I'm going to be showing you guys stuff, not just face cam. We're going to be in a game too because we're probably going to be playing that game after. So, yeah, if you guys think this game is interesting and you really want to play it, yeah, just go Roblox, search up Phantom Forces. Oh my gosh, somebody's there. Come on. Okay. Let's go. Hold on, go scratch my eye. Okay. Not scratch it, but itch it. You guys know what I mean. Okay, let's get in here. Alright, here, oh, it's killing me. Jump, jump, jump. I don't think that person saw me right there. Okay, we're gonna go attack. Oh, where'd they go? Okay, they probably went over here. Well, that was weird. Okay, we're gonna go in here. Oh, that's what happened. I went and and fell. Okay, I think that was the room. Okay. Let's go. We're gonna go to this bee. Nobody's around. Oh, what? How did they kill me? Did it? Oh, with a knife. Okay. So they pulled out their knife. Okay. Yeah. Pretty much that's what they did. Why am I looking up? Okay, I don't want to look up. Yeah, I killed them. I was reloading, why'd you have to kill me? Look, they're going up. They're camping. Oh my gosh, I always fall down there. Oh my god, okay. Oh wait, where are they camp? Oh, I think they are on the other side. I don't really know. But, for a second I'm like, who's following me? Oh no, I was gonna fall off. Okay, let's run over here. Oh my god, what is oh my gosh. You saw me, okay. I don't want to know what weapon I'm killed by. I just want to... Okay. I can't stop doing this one thing. I just shake my whole body. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, that was a pretty good jump. Hold on, there's something on my keyboard. Okay, there we go. What's going on? I'm talking too much. I can't move. Okay, there we go. For some reason, I couldn't really move. Did I just see somebody or was that me? Okay, I'm just seeing things. I saw somebody that was not on my team. Okay. Come on, bro. Oh, look. That's me from behind. Just gonna let them know. This is hard. Ah! Okay, I don't think they see me. I don't know if I even shot them. Oh, what? What the? Wait, what happened? Okay, alright. Okay, so, I gotta... Alright. We're just gonna stand here. Oh, we can't do that. Oh gosh, what is going on? Hold on. Can we do it? Oh, no, you can't do it. Oh, man. Okay. Come on, come on. I don't care. Okay. What the heck was that? What's in my face? Wait. Hi. Okay. Come on. Okay. Let's go running. Okay. Hold on. Where did I go? Hold on. Alright, I killed them. Let's go. Ah, die! Oh, I think I give it away because I actually killed nobody. I was just going crazy, so. Love it. Love it? Oh my gosh, there's so many people with it. Oh, you scared me. I just, like, wish that. Whoa. I don't see anybody up there. Oh, keep scaring me. Right, go. Come on. Run, man. Run! What are you doing? Oh my god, you're so dumb. Alright, good luck dying, because I'm not going to beat you. Okay, come on. Yes. Now they're going to know. So many people are Delappear. Not Delappear, oh my god. I can't speak. When I first started playing this... Oh gosh, okay. Where are they coming from? Oh, alright, I know where they're coming from. They're coming from the like, oh my god, I'm gonna die like the others. Oh my god, no. There we go. That's what happens. Oh god. Alright. Alright, we're gonna go on another game. For some reason, okay, that's something. Okay, so, I'm gonna go on a different game. Okay, okay, what game do we want to do? Okay, I'll see you guys. No. Okay, I will see you guys in another game. Peace, I'll see you there. Okay, we were back in another game, Prison Life. We are actually going to be, let's see if we can be a guard. We can be a guard, okay. No, it's not full, finally. Okay, I hate this thing now so much, I can't run. Okay, I don't even know how to get rid of it. Please comment if you know how to get rid of it. Come on, let's go kill some bad people. They don't know, they think I'm just the police helping. You tried. I am so sorry, sir. I am so sorry. Oh, I spelled sorry wrong. I'm so sorry. I spelled it right this time. Sorry. I can't spell today. Can't talk, walk. I'm sorry. Oh, no. Oh, no. I think I'm a horrible police. Oh, my God. I'm letting them in here. Yeah. No. Alright, don't need your opinion. Just die. Like, really? Why did I put that at the end? Okay. No! Hold on a minute. Oh. Uh-oh. I killed somebody innocent. Ah! You shall die. Yeah, no, get out. Oh, I need to distract him from getting in. No, that's the way. Okay. Okay. Guys, we are going to, I don't know, why am I looking down? Okay, guys, stop. There's so many wrong things going on in this video. Alright, guys, let's, hold on. Stop! Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye!